A stable and convenient setup can make all the difference in your woodworking projects. The best rolling miter saw stand provides mobility, durability, and easy adjustments, allowing you to work safely and efficiently on every cut with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT Miter Saw Stand. The DEWALT Miter Saw Stand is the perfect blend of professional strength, precision, and convenience. Built with rugged tubular steel construction, it can handle up to 300 pounds, making it a reliable choice for demanding tasks on any job site. The 3-position pneumatic assist provides smooth, effortless raising and lowering, saving both time and energy during setup. It's designed for easy adaptability, featuring adjustable mounting rails that fit nearly any miter saw, offering flexibility whether you're cutting wood trim, framing, or building cabinetry. Wide rubber grip wheels ensure mobility, allowing you to move it easily from one work area to another without strain. The stand's compact vertical storage option helps maximize workspace efficiency, a valuable feature for contractors who move frequently or have limited storage. DEWALT's focus on simplicity is evident in its one-time assembly design. Once set up, you're ready for years of consistent performance. This miter saw stand embodies DEWALT's commitment to practicality, durability, and ease of use. It's a dependable partner for professionals who demand reliability and precision from their tools. Whether used in a home workshop or a busy construction site, it provides the stability and mobility every craftsman needs to get the job done right the first time.
Number 2. WEN Miter Saw Stand. The WEN Miter Saw Stand offers a solid balance of versatility, stability, and portability, ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its universal design, it fits almost every miter saw available, including all WEN models, giving users complete flexibility regardless of their tool brand. The collapsible rolling frame makes setup and storage incredibly convenient, while the two 8-inch never-flat wheels make moving it effortless, even on uneven surfaces. Built with a sturdy 1.5-inch diameter steel frame, it provides a strong foundation and raises your miter saw 33 inches off the ground, creating a comfortable working height. The support arms extend from 32 to 79 inches, allowing it to handle materials up to 10.5 feet long, perfect for large boards, moldings, and beams. Despite being portable, it doesn't compromise on strength or balance, delivering dependable stability with every cut. Quick-release brackets make attaching and detaching saws simple, saving time when switching between tools. Its collapsible design also allows for easy storage in tight spaces, making it perfect for small workshops or mobile contractors. WEN's thoughtful engineering focuses on user convenience, ensuring this stand works as hard as you do. It's a reliable, affordable, and sturdy companion that enhances efficiency and accuracy in every woodworking task.
Number 3. POWERTEC Portable Miter Saw Stand. The POWERTEC Portable Miter Saw Stand redefines convenience and efficiency for woodworkers, contractors, and builders. Designed as a multifunctional workstation, it easily accommodates miter saws, chop saws, planers, and other benchtop tools, offering unmatched versatility. Its universal quick-release mounting brackets allow fast setup and removal of your tools, making it easy to switch between projects. Built with durability in mind, it features heavy-duty steel construction that provides stability and long-term reliability. The 8-inch super grip rubber wheels make transportation smooth, while the spring-loaded locking legs enable quick setup and compact folding for easy storage. What sets this stand apart is its integrated 110V power strip conveniently located along the base, eliminating the need for an external outlet, an excellent feature for work sites with limited power access. The thoughtful design enhances workflow, keeping everything within reach while maintaining a clutter-free workspace. The stand can handle demanding tasks without wobbling or instability, ensuring accurate, consistent cuts every time. Whether used indoors or outdoors, the POWERTEC stand offers the ideal combination of strength, portability, and functionality. It's a tool built for those who value smart design and durable performance. For professionals who want to work efficiently without sacrificing power or precision, The POWERTEC Portable Miter Saw Stand is a standout choice that truly elevates productivity.
Number 4. BORA Universal Miter Saw Stand. The BORA Universal Miter Saw Stand is a powerhouse of strength, precision, and versatility, designed for professionals who need a rugged, multifunctional workstation. Built with heavy-duty tubular steel, this stand supports up to an impressive 500 pounds, handling even the largest miter saws up to 12 inches, including compound sliding models. Its quick-release leg mechanism ensures fast setup and secure locking during use, while the folding design allows for compact storage and effortless portability. Beyond just a miter saw stand, the BORA PM4000 can serve as a base for other tools such as planers, tile saws, and jointers, offering a versatile solution for any workspace. Its smooth operation and solid construction ensure stability and vibration-free precision, delivering accurate cuts with ease. The ergonomic height and wide stance provide comfort and confidence during long working sessions. Perfect for workshops, construction sites, or mobile operations, it combines professional-grade reliability with easy handling. The BORA stand's design maximizes performance without unnecessary complexity, giving you everything you need for tough, repetitive cutting tasks. Built to last, it's the ideal choice for anyone who values durability, strength, and versatility in their tools. The BORA Portamate PM4000 is not just a stand, it's a long-term investment in professional quality work.
Number 5. Evolution Saw Stand. The Evolution Saw Stand is built for professionals who demand power, durability, and efficiency from their tools. Constructed from large-diameter tubular steel, this heavy-duty stand supports up to 187 pounds, making it ideal for metalworking and construction environments. Its universal mounting brackets provide compatibility with most chop saws, including Evolution's top models like the S355 CPSL, S380 CPS, and R355 CPS. Extendable work supports and adjustable height stops allow precision handling of long and uneven materials, such as steel, pipes, and rebar. The stand's stable frame guarantees accurate cuts without vibration, ensuring a professional finish every time. Its portability makes it convenient for contractors who move frequently between locations, and its compact design ensures easy storage when not in use. Built with user comfort in mind, it allows seamless control and adaptability, no matter the task. The Evolution Saw Stand combines smart engineering with industrial strength, offering reliability, precision, and ease of use in one complete package built for real-world demands. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.